Kim G, weather overview. How you doing out there, everybody? Well, I think the main theme for this week coming up will be that we will have several chances for rain. There will be some isolated flash flooding, but I don't think it'll be widespread flash flooding. And that's due to the fact that we will get a break in between these chances for rain. So I'll try to break it down day by day as to what's going to go on. Now, what you got here in front of you is the probability of precipitation. People love this graphic off of NOAA. I'm not a huge fan, but due to popular demand, I am showing it. So this is from 8 a.m. through 12 p.m. tomorrow. So for a place like Central Park, the probability of precipitation is over 50%. And the darker areas in green indicate where the higher areas of probability of precipitation exist. So what you can take away from this graphic is that from southwest to northeast, rain will be developing in the morning. And it'll be our first shot of rain. But then that really is the appetizer for the main course because it looks like the heavier rain is Monday night into Tuesday. So when we look at the current radar off the Penn State EWOL site, we've got rain to our south. And it's developing over Virginia, Maryland, and not quite getting north of the Mason-Dixon line. And that's because the air is dry enough where it's going to forestall the rain chances for today, and that's why we have a decent day on tap for your Sunday. So the rain will be arriving in the morning for Monday, probably after the heart of the morning commute, but depending on where you are, it could be during the morning rush, say for areas in southern New Jersey. You know, rain will become more widespread down there. And then from southwest to northeast for the immediate tri-state area, it will develop from about 7 a.m. onward. And that'll be the first shot of rain. So here we go off the GFS model. And it shows it rather vividly here. So this is 7 a.m. Monday, and you can see rain is on our doorstep. It moves through. It has generally unsettled weather for the majority of the day, but I think how this plays out is that we get a first shot of rain. It exits around noon or 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and then we wait for the second round of rain with the cold front, and that'll happen between 7 p.m. Monday and 7 a.m. Tuesday. So rain will become heavy at times once again tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, and even a few rumbles of thunder in there. Any one thunderstorm can produce flash flooding. And then we'll have to wait for Tuesday morning to go by before this front clears the area. And then we'll get a break for much of Tuesday and I think all of Wednesday as well. And then another system will move in for Thursday morning through Thursday afternoon. And I don't think this will bring as much rain as Monday night and Tuesday will, but it will still just sort of add on to the weekly totals, so to speak. And speaking of the weekly totals, if we look at the Weather Prediction Center, now if you go to their site, this is day 1 through 3 of their precipitation, and they seem to favor a uniform area of an inch of rain, but it looks like the areas to the west of the city get in on the heaviest rain. When we look at day 1 through 5, it adds a little bit more, but again, it's encompassing 2 more days. But you can see the general idea that we're going to get a solid 1 to 2 inches of rain. It's going to come in waves, and it's going to come a lot of it from Monday night into Tuesday. And that's the reason why I think the flash flooding threat is somewhat mitigated, because we will get these breaks in between. So if we take a look at Weather Underground, well, yeah, look at that, 68 for Monday. Not great under clouds, and a lot of them. Tuesday, early morning rain. That goes by. We recover our temperatures a little bit. Wednesday looks like a fine day before more rain moves in for Thursday, knocking our temperatures down. And then I think we're in store for a decent weekend for Father's Day with perhaps a frontal passage, but late in the weekend, giving us showers and thunderstorms for late Sunday night into early next Monday.